I absolutely love this microphone. I am using it primarily to record and produce high-quality voiceover work. The mic is substantial and solidly built. It is quite heavy. If you choose to use it as I do, suspended from above and attached to an aluminum shock mount, you will have to invest in a higher quality scissor boom arm in order to hold the weight. I went ahead and spent the $100 to get the Rode scissor boom arm, which holds the shock mount, the mic, and a pop filter without any drooping or jeopardy. I love that the mic is a USB mic, meaning the analog to digital conversion circuitry is built into the mic, allowing me to connect it directly into my Mac. The sound quality with voice is outstanding, providing a professional level end product. The mic has 4 different settings, which I suppose is nice for different applications, but I use it exclusively in cardioid mode. The mic has a conveniently placed jack on the bottom or top in my configuration for connecting studio monitor headphones. There is a volume control knob for the headphone volume as well as a mute button on the front of the mic. On the rear is the gain control knob and the recording mode selector knob. The knobs are solid, well placed and easy to use. If you choose to use this on a desktop surface, you will appreciate the solidness and height of the included mic stand. The stand raises the mic much higher than most mic stands, putting it at a very reasonable height for speaking directly into the front of the mic while sitting at your desk. The only problem seems to be that there is really no way to mount a shock mount to the Blue Yeti stand. All in all, this is an exceptionally built condenser microphone with great features that can produce tremendously professional home studio sound for voiceover work, and all for less than $150. Buy now in description below.